Okay, this video we're talking about how to do the location import to ALC-TECH software. This is our original location file. Look at here, location code. You can use that or you can use the system generators and then the location description. Okay, so we can actually put this one as a location description 1 and location description 2. It depends on how we import the file. Okay, let's do it. Come back to the ALC-TECH. Set up location import. Browse the file, the data. Then click edit. Location tab. Then click update. So we map the field. Location code, put location. Then the location description, we'll put on the location description. So after that, we click the import. Wait for a while. We finish. You can see here is master imported. So now we look at the location listing. Set up location. Okay, then we can have a short comparison. Okay, you can see ERL 4001 Ministry of Transport. IO EMS 3004 main workshop, first floor, technical office. Okay, that's all for grouping. Okay, we can also import the location by using auto-generated location codes. Let's see. We import the data. Location. So we leave the location empty. We map the first location description to location and description 2 to location description. Okay, so look at here. This part is empty. Okay, once finished, we click import. Okay, you can see the data is being imported. Okay, the location. And you can see the location is being imported. And then the location description is we are imported to location 2. That's all.